Diego County says it saw a 200% increase in fentanyl overdose deaths just last year. Now a local recovery center says more than half of its new clients are still struggling with opioid addiction.
News 8's LaMonica Peters tells us what rehab advocates are saying about the drug's potency and how they're trying to combat the opioid crisis.
Those who treat opioid addiction say they can't emphasize enough how important it is to address the addiction medically and mentally if we want people to stop using powerful, deadly drugs like fentanyl. In May of this year, San Diego County health officials allowed community organizations to have access to Narcan, a life-saving drug at no cost. Now drug rehabilitation advocates are sending another warning about how dangerous synthetic opioids can be.
We've seen first the deaths related to prescription pain pills, and then we saw heroin, and now this is a kind of a third phase, which is even more potent and I guess from a chemical standpoint, a stronger chemical.
Health officials predict that about 700 people will die from a fentanyl overdose in 2021 in San Diego County. Since July, the George Bailey Detention Center in San Diego has reported at least 8 fentanyl overdose cases, with one person dying. Shoreline Recovery Center says right now, about 55% of their clients have opioid use disorders.
Working with the families has been very difficult for clients who've come in the aftermath of an overdose where they've had to be Narcaned 2-3 times.
The CDC reports that over 93,000 people in the U.S. died from a drug overdose in 2020, with opioid deaths increasing by nearly 19,000 from 2019. Judge says the data shows how deadly fentanyl continues to be, and recovery should be the priority when it comes to saving lives.
If they can get hooked up with the right resources, which any good treatment center will do, even if it's not their treatment center, there is hope available. But it is a journey and it is a commitment.
If you want more information about Shoreline Recovery Center or the latest from the CDC about the opioid crisis, you can go to our website at cbs8.com.